Hi everyone, Gridlock Cosplay here. Well, the work has been a little bit slow, but I've got some cool things to show you. One of the main components on this costume will be the weapons. I started by building these structures that will stick out from the main body. The PVC going around the outside is just the support for the axle pipe, which is rotated by a 10 RPM gearbox motor. I built 2 of these, one for each shoulder. I attached a network cable connector to each end of the slip ring to make it easily detachable, which of course is pretty important when building large costumes. I just rigged up a piece of cardboard to check the range of the weapons platform. With my development H-bridge attached to the motor, you can see that it has more than enough range. The actual mounts are built out of corrugated plastic. Ta-da! Did some tests to get the motor to be controlled with a joystick, which went just fine, but then I realized that there definitely needed to be switches on the weapon platform so that the controller could stop the motor instantly when it reached the limit, so it didn't go too far. I needed to start setting up the main control panel, so I started with the cover by 3D printing it, which contains several control switches, each with their own lit up icon and indicator light, a volts and amps display, and it has the main power switch. Also included inside is a 5-volt converter, which I stole from a USB charger from the car. The main control panel box is, of course, also 3D printed, and it contains the Arduino Mega, the heavy-duty H-bridge for the weapons platforms, the video multiplexer, and wires from all over the costume. Now the main control panel will be rotating with the outer section, so I will have control of features like the headlights, the hazard lights, and the horn only when the cockpit is facing roughly forward. That is why I have a joystick mounted on the inside. The 3 buttons on the opposite side here are for multiplexing the joystick so that I can do many functions with just the one joystick. That's all for this video. Please subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of the other updates that I make. There's lots more to do. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.